Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Hope you had a great trading day yesterday. And today we'll review Bitcoin, Ethereum, then we'll review all the major indices, S&P 500, Nasdaq, and then we'll review all the commodities, gold, silver, oil, natural gas, and at the end we'll wrap up with major FANG stock. And if you like the content, please hit the like button. I would really appreciate and share this with your friends and family. Okay, so this is Bitcoin. We'll start with Bitcoin today. BTC chart. This is 1 hour chart. BTC futures, CME futures. You can see there's a gap here. So Bitcoin is coming to fill this gap. All right, it's as simple as that. So you can see this gap up happened here on Sunday, 7th of April, and you can see 68,000 is the target, and we're now going lower. All right, I don't see any divergences. So basically, oops, here you go. So from here, I think it's still possible Bitcoin can go a little lower, around 4%, 4.2%, and then fill this gap. And on Ethereum, that gap is further away, around 3362. So just keep that in mind. All right. So for Ethereum, it's from where we are right now, around 8% almost there. So if I go to Bitcoin daily chart, just want to show you something. This is CME futures. Now there are multiple gaps left. So it's still not able to make new high yet. But it's in the short time frame it started to make higher lows. So I think if it comes down to fill this gap, let me bring in moving averages and see how this is shaping up. So if it's going to come back to fill this gap around 68,000, then it's going to get buyers here and then go for next target, which is going to be around 80,000 levels. All right, so that's what Bitcoin is looking at. And on Ethereum, same thing here. If it comes back to fill this gap, that's where these moving averages are coming, 50 EMA and 50 SMA. It can come back, fill this gap, and then it's going to bounce. All right, so that's what we are looking for. On CME futures, in the live market, we can see right now it's down 1.23%. Uh, it's, I think it's doing everything it can to support this new trend, new uptrend. So it's finding support right now. Actually, let's go to our famous chart here. Let's put side by side here, BTC here and BTC daily chart here, and you can see these are the levels. Those who are new, these are sell zones and buy zones. Green zones are the buy zones, red zones are the sell zones. You can see it's finding support this morning. It found support around 4 a.m. touched 69k, 69k 800, and now bouncing. All right, so this is where the supports are, and it's very important for Bitcoin to hold the support. Right now it's in the neutral zone, so no trade zone basically. All right, so we'll see how Bitcoin goes from here. Ethereum, same thing here. It was in the sell zone. You can see massive sell zone, now in the neutral zone, and the levels are 35.53 and below look to buy, and sell above 36.70. All right. Okay, guys, that's for crypto and Bitcoin. Let's go to MES chart, which is S&P 500. Let's do cycle study on SPX for now. Let me bring it out so you can see here. Cycle is stopping here. Okay, so you might have seen the top. Let's see, today's price action will be very important. Last 2 days it's an inside day candle, basically massive bearish candle. Then inside day is means the candle next day candle remains within the last day candle. Even yesterday we had inside day candle, so today we will know very important if it's going to break. It's finding it's on support. This white line is 20 moving average on daily white line. It's holding support. So if it bounces from here, then it's going to go to new highs. If not, then it's going to start coming back on this cycle low, and I'm expecting some lower prices by the end of April, and then another bounce here. All right, so let's see how it goes. Let's go to our MES daily chart here, and side by side you can see, if I zoom in, you can see still very today is the decision making day. Okay, either we reject here, go down, or we break out to new highs from here. Short term chart, the levels are getting closer to sell zone. 52.75 and up is the sell zone getting very closer to that, and buy zone is 52.32. MNQ, Nasdaq, same thing here, getting very closer to sell zone here. Again, I'm getting 8 and 9 counts buy signal here. This is another indicator on Nasdaq. So it's very important for Nasdaq to break out. And if it does break out, it's in like a trading range for like a month now, just chopping around Nasdaq. But if it breaks out, then just remember that it only needs to go above 0.23% before bearish will show up. So be very careful. Um, let's see if it's going to be in the sell zone, then people will try to short it from here. All right. Dow Jones, Russell 2000, a little bit weaker than other indices in the neutral zone. Sell zone is above 39,039 and buy zone is about 38,764. By the way, guys, if you want to know about more of these buy and sell zones, you can subscribe to my channel. Link is in the description. There's a YouTube icon. Click on that, subscribe. Let me know you use YouTube ID on my Discord group. Link is also in the description. I will add you to members only group where I post this level every few hours, and that will help you make the right decision. All right, so these are the levels here. Russell 2000 near sell zone. You can take a screenshot anytime of these levels. That can help you with this trade. Tesla. All right, so nice pump yesterday. Still not did not touch the sell zone. All right, so still it can go higher. 175.83 on the daily zone. If it can break out from here, if it can close above 175, that's where resistances are. But a breakout from here, 188 area is the next gap fill. It will try to fill that. All right, so that's going to be its next target. UNH flat yesterday, still near buy zone. All right, 453 and below look to buy. Apple pre-market touched buy zone just around 6 a.m. Now going towards neutral zone. 169.5 is the target. First gap fill, then next gap fill is around 172. If you can hold Apple long term, this is a good area to buy. Gold, very bullish. Short term, some resistances here. So looking for some downward pressure. Only will buy below 23.19. Silver is also going towards sell zone. All right. Only look to buy below 27.34. Crude oil is in the neutral zone. All right. Natural gas, nice pump in the sell zone. Looks like it already made a bottom here. This was the bottom on 16th of Feb. So I think it's right now breaking out of all moving averages. So very bullish. Next target 2.189. So, but short term could expect some weakness. Just keep that in mind. We already covered Bitcoin, Toronto Stock Exchange, TSX in the sell zone, Hang Seng Index, China near resistance. You can see resistance. Short term in the neutral zone. If it can break out, that's going to be bullish. Tried to break out yesterday in the morning, but then sold back. Let's see, it's getting closer to resistance again. Let's look at commodities, other commodities, copper. Copper is in the sell zone short term. All right, very bullish. Palladium looking very bullish in the sell zone. Nice massive candles. Soybeans is going towards buy zone. Sugar cane is in the buy zone. Should be looking to buy sugar. You can see these commodities always have cycles. Wheat is going towards buy zone. Corn is also in the middle neutral zone here. And GDX gold miners is near sell zone right now. And let's look at big FANG stock, Google. Google in the sell zone already, pre-market. Netflix going towards sell zone, near neutral zone. Amazon is going towards sell zone. Meta, Facebook is in the neutral zone. Microsoft is also in the neutral zone. Snowflakes is also in the neutral zone. NVDA is also near neutral zone. All right. And let's wrap it up with VIX. VIX is which VIX got crushed yesterday. Might be coming for this gap here. Around 11.13. So that's if that happens, it's going to be very bullish. 13.4% dump can happen. But short term, it's finding support on this 200 EMA and 200 SMA. So if it bounces from here, that's going to be bearish for stock market. And I will know today what happens. And that's it for today, guys. If you like, please hit the like button. Bye.